This is paste packing machine with U-shaped hopper mixer, suitable for different liquid sauce, such as honey, tomato sauce, peanut butter, and so on. Now I will show you how to use it. Put some water into the hopper. Power on the mixer. Power on the packing machine. Connected the air compressor. When temperature up to 130 or 140 degrees means the machine ready to work. Now let's test some empty bag. Press click. The bag is good, means the machine are ready to work. Now let's try the machine. Start. This is the bag we got. Now, what if we want to make more water and make the bag more higher? Now I will show you how to do. Press function. Bag length number, we try to make it bigger. For example, make it 18. Confirm. This button, twist this button. Sensor will move to big number, means we'll get more water. To this direction. Sensor move to smaller number, means we'll get less water. Now let's try the machine again. Start. See, the machine bag is higher and the water is more.